What's up, everybody? Just want to show everybody how fast you can actually be set up and pulling with a blackjack. We got our safety cable, side puller, pump and hose. We've wrapped a chain around here. We'll end up centering so we get a nice even pull on it. But literally, to make this pull, when you're pulling low, you have your triple socket base set to the back. If you're pulling higher on the car, you might have it set to the front. But it's literally this easy. We hook the chain, come over here. We got a nice straight pull to lock our chain in to the chain fork. Our nice Swedish quick couplers. Now we'll put our safety cable on here. Get her wrapped around real nice. Find a good spot to hook it to right there. Come over here and get out of the way. Need to go a little bit farther. And I'm going to end up putting another clamp right here because we don't want to crush the rail with the chain. But literally, that's how fast we can be set up and pulling. And we'll have the other rail, we'll pull the same way. And we'll have this car fixed in, I'm guessing, 3 hours. So good profitability for your shop. Wanted to show you guys a different way to do the same thing. We obviously, wrap the chain around it old school, start yanking on it, and that works, but it's not the most delicate and appropriate, especially when you can put two pulls this close to each other so easily. So what we've done is put one of our pinch clamps here on the rail, and then used our sill hook, also from Clamp, both of which come with your machine and the tool board, and got our safety cables wrapped around it, so now we're going to give it a little more. We'll see you guys next time.